Dear students, in this video we will discuss about photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. After this video we will discuss about electron transport system with the help of PS1 and PS2 so that all the points will be clear to you. As we are discussing about photosynthesis part, so first is the photosystem 1 and the photosystem 2. First, we have to discuss with the help of a small figure. Suppose this is a chloroplast. This is the outer membrane of a chloroplast, and these are the small stack of thylakoids. And as we know, they are connected with each other with the help of Fred channel, or somewhere it is written as stroma lamella. So these are connected with each other. So what happened earlier, as we have discussed, that this is what thylakoid, and this is what fluid like structure which is filled inside of it, that is stroma. Stroma is a site of dark reaction. Dark reaction means whatever reactions will take place during night time, that will happen in the stroma, while the reaction which takes place during daytime or during the time of photochemical reaction, that all will takes place in the thylakoid. So in short we can say that thylakoid is a site of light reaction while stroma is a site of dark reaction. Now we are coming to the part of photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. Now the question is where this photosystem are located. Simply, photosystem means photo means light. It is somewhere connected with the or their appearance, their functioning is much more relative with the sunlight reactions, that is a light reactions. So we are coming to the point that where they are present and how they work. So see, in first way, suppose this is I am saying that this is a thylakoid. So if we consider this is a thylakoid, this is another coin like structure, this is another coin like structure. So in another coin like structure we may consider that it is what this is the non-appressed. Non-appressed in simple term we may say this की जो part suppress नहीं होगा, जो एक दूसरे से दबा हुआ नहीं होगा, that will be non-appressed region, while the part which is overlapping with each other, that is the appressed part. जो एक दूसरे से दब रहा है, एक दूसरे से overlap हो रहा है, उसको appressed कहेंगे simple language में. तो अब क्वेश्चन ये है where this PS1 PS2 is located. So one thing is this PS1 is located in the non-appressed part. यहाँ पे ये सारे region में that is present in the non-appressed region. Photosystem 1 is present in the non-appressed region, while this photosystem 2, this is present in this the appressed part. And the another third thing, like suppose I am saying this is the PS1 in the non-appressed, this is the appressed which is present PS2, और ये जो ATPase complex होगा that is also present in the non-appressed region along with that PS1. And with the Fred channel, Fred channel means suppose ये दूसरे coin like structure से thylakoid से attach है, with the help of this bridge like structure I am naming it Fred channel. That means whatever reaction is going on, little bit part of electron and the photons can be transported up to here also. So this is the Fred channel. In this way, this ATPase complex can present in this non-appressed as well as in Fred channel. So this is a short description which will help you to understand that where the PS1, where the PS2 and the ATPase complex. These three things are very important. Number one, this PS1, number two is this PS2, and number three is the ATPase complex. The same three important things we will discuss in electron transport system. So remember these points. Now we are coming over here in the difference between PS1 and PS2. Located on the non-appressed part, as I told you, like this is the non-appressed, this is the appressed, this is the appressed, this is the non-appressed. I am simply naming it non-appressed. So it is present in the non-appressed region, while PS2 it is present in the inner surface, or you may say in the appressed membrane. Second point is this: it is comprises of 200 to 400 molecules of chlorophyll. There earlier we discussed chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, xanthophyll, phycobilins. So these are the 200 to 400 molecules of chlorophyll, 50 carotenoids, along with that P700. Now the question is, what is this 700? What is the number of this 700? This photosystem get excited at the maximum visible light wavelength, that is the 700. That's why it is named 700. Here it is about 200 chlorophyll, 50 carotenoids and P680. Again this 680 is the nanometer wavelength of visible light, which represent the absorption under absorption spectrum. Now the third point is it is light in color. Simply अगर कोई चीज किसी से overlap नहीं कर रही है, like this is not overlapping with anyone, that's this is non-appressed, इसीलिए हमेशा light color का होगा. And this is what overlapping region, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, डार्क ग्रीन कलर का होगा. It is not directly involved with photo-oxidation of water and evolution of oxygen. This point you will understand in the electron transport chain. डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व नहीं होगा, बट क्या होगा, इसमें टू पाथवे होते हैं. एक बार नॉन साइक्लिक वे में जाएगा, दूसरी बार साइक्लिक वे में आएगा. तो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज नॉट directly involved in the photooxidation of water or the evolution of oxygen. And also here we can say that water oxidase enzyme will not work here. So the fourth point in PS2 is it is directly involved with the photooxidation of water and the evolution